Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually trade options. So that's what this video is all about. I'll try and make it short and sweet, but you have to bear in mind that trading options is a little more than trading stock. So for those of you who are comfortable with trading stock, options is not quite the same. I know that because I have traded stock in the past. Now I'm trading options. So the first thing you need to download this here platform, Think or Swim. I'll leave a link in the description box just below. It's by TD Ameritrade, and we are going to double click on it. Now it does take a little while to install, so bear with me. Okay, that didn't take too long. And the next thing, of course, is to put in your username, or in your case, you're going to be setting up a username. So basically, you're setting up an account. I think I can remember my username here. Nope. Some more initializing, so I'm going to pause the video while it sets itself up. And here is your screen that you're going to get. Now up at the top left here it says simulated trading, so that lets you know it's not real trading. I'm trading paper money, options trading, stock, and all this stuff at the top, forex, but the only one we're interested in here is the option. I have a starting balance of $200,000. I believe I can change this. You can reduce this to something that's more in tune with what you actually will be trading. So if you're going to start with $1,000, you can change this amount to $1,000. Okay, so the next thing is we need to have a stock that we want to practice with. So we'll click here on trade. And just below this tab here, you'll see this window here. I've already set this up with Google. So basically, whatever it is you want to practice with, whatever your favorite stocks are, whatever you are interested in, that's what you put in here. For me right now, it's Google. Okay, what else do you need to know? Alongside here, it will tell you the actual price at which Google is trading as of now. Right now, Google is trading at $1,265 and change. Okay, so Google is the stock that we're interested in. And here, if we click on here, the underlying, it gives you all the information you need on Google as far as the trading, how it's traded or how it's trading. The last price is right here. The net change in this one day has changed $9. So it has increased $9.74. This is the bid price. This is the ask price. So if you want to buy, you're going to buy at this price. You're going to sell it. It's going to, the setup, the platform will sell at this price, and so on. I'm not too sure what this is. This is the volume trading. So right now, there are 1 million plus orders out being traded. Open is the open interest. It tells you how many orders are out right now. The high of the day has been 1271 and the low of the day. Okay, so that's that line right there. We're not so interested in this second tab here, trade grid. This is the one we're interested in. I'll click it to close it because this is what it will look like. As soon as you go in, you click on option chain. When you click on option change, did I say change? Option chain, you're going to see these here. It says weekly. So these here are the weekly contracts. If it doesn't say weekly, then it's probably a monthly contract, as you can see. So right now we're in August. Anybody who buys these contracts for the 21st of September 2018, that means you're buying them a month away from today. So these are monthly contracts. This one is a monthly contract 2 months away from today. For today, today is the, I'll think about it. Yes, today is the 8th of August. So we are 2 days away from this 10th of August options expiring. 2 days away. I'm going to go for this 17th of August. Okay, so 17th of August here, we can show more strike prices. As you see. Now let's look for, let me show a few more strike prices. Okay, this is the one I'm looking for. No, let's look for another one. Let's call up all the strike prices. Pull the screen down there. Okay. So what we have here is the price right now has dropped a little bit. It's now 1,264. And we want to buy a call. So a call is saying we believe that the price of this stock is going to go up, because when the price of the stock goes up, then the price of the option itself will go up, generally. Okay, so let's look at this one. And as you've noticed here we have the last, it says last X. So this is the amount the last person who bought these particular options paid. So $7.30 was paid per share for the option, the call option 1280, expiring on the 17th of August. Let's go further down. $5.17 per share was bought, was the cost of this option, a call option 1290, expiring 17th of August. So let's click on this one. We right click to pull up this window, click buy, click single, and it gives you an order. It's called an order entry. And here it just tells you what you're about to do. You're about to buy one option of Google expiring here. If that's not the right expiration date, you click that window and it comes up with other ones. This strike price, that's not the right strike price. Again, you can change it there. It tells you you're buying a call, and this is how much it costs. Now bear in mind, this is for one share, and an option is 100 shares, so that's $520. We're going to click that. We're going to buy that at the going rate. That's called the market rate. Click confirm, and this is just a summary of what you're about to do. $502 you're about to spend. Usually here it'll say the cost of the trade including commission. Usually that'll be, depending on whatever the commission is, it's usually about $5, $6, $7, something like that. We're going to click send, and up here it tells us it's been filled. So we've just purchased this. After purchasing, we can now monitor that particular purchase right here. We click on monitor, activity, and positions. And what did we just buy? Google. So we just purchased Google. Ignore all this. Of course, I was paper trading earlier today. And now look at that. I made $800 on paper. Nice. I think I bought 5. Anyway, so here it is, the trade we just entered. We purchased one option of Google, and it tells you what it is here. and we paid the market rate, which was $4.90. So we paid $490. So the price has come down. This tells you the going rate right now is $5. So we've actually made $10.72. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the screen on, and I'll keep it running for a few minutes to see in a few minutes how much we can make from this particular trade. Okay. So you can see here it's fluctuating because the market rate is fluctuating. We bought at $4.90. Right now it's on the market for $4.99, and this is how much we've made. Bear in mind, this option expires in 9 days, so we still have 9 days to wait for this option to actually increase. It could double, it could triple, it could quadruple, and you know what? Unfortunately, it can go down. Right now, it's just moved from $4.90 to $5.13. We have just made $22.50. It wouldn't make too much sense to sell, but if we wanted to sell it, yes, we just right-click, create closing order, sell one Google, but we don't want to do that right now. So let's just keep a watch on this. So right now we've made $22.25. Just keeping the video running for a little while. Again, the price dropped. Dropped a little more. Okay, so this is just to give you a gist of how I won't say how easy, but how it is that people make money trading options. So the only other thing I want to show you on this video, to keep the video as short as possible, I don't like to go over 15 minutes. I will show you how to monitor this trade using the charts. So there's a function up here, it says charts. We'll click on it. Of course, it's my Google here. It tells you the price right now. And you can see here, okay, first of all, this is a 15-minute chart. So what that means is each of these bars here represents 15 minutes in time. And today, if we look down here, Wednesday is from this dotted line here, and you can see as soon as market opened, the stock increased 15, this is 45 minutes. So there was money to be made here. It traded sideways, it went up, traded sideways, and about now you can see it's just been kind of trading sideways. It's not really moving up, it's not moving down, hence the reason why the price is fluctuating as we were watching it earlier. That's pretty much it. That's all I have for you as far as showing you how to trade options. I will call it live even though it is paper trading, but that is it. So if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a like. Drop your comments below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll meet you on the next video.